Alright everybody, currently we are on sound wave chapter. The first part of this chapter is about echo. Okay, so this small video is about echo. Okay, echo is nothing but the reflected sound. Now there are few conditions for echo to be heard. Okay, at our homes we speak, the sound is getting reflected from the walls and from other obstacles, but we do not hear echo. So there are actually few conditions for echo to be heard. अच्छा, ये जो distance है between obstacle and the observer, it should be between 17 to 18 meter in case in air, ठीक है, at normal condition, in normal conditions. So why this distance is between 17 to 18 meter? And one more thing is that when you hear the echo, the reflected sound should come to your ear after or at 0.1 second. Okay, if you hear two sounds if you hear two sounds less than 0.1 second, you won't be able to distinguish the two sounds. I mean, you won't be able to hear them clearly. So what is the reason for this? These are the two conditions for the echo. What is the reason behind these two things? Okay, in this video I am going to explain that only. Acha, let me show you one picture. Check this one. What do you see in this picture? Okay, here they are moving the coin slowly, okay, or they are holding the coin. When you move this coin, when you rotate it like this, when you shake it like this at a very fast speed, okay, check, look at this cursor. I'm shaking this cursor slowly, okay, I'm moving it back left and right slowly. You will be able to see only one cursor, but if I increase the speed, okay, if I increase the speed, you will see more than one cursor. Okay, you can see three cursor at a time. If you increase the speed, you will see many cursors. So this is due to the persistence of vision. When you look at two pictures at less than 0.1 second, okay, when you look at two pictures less than the interval of 0.1 second, they will overlap हो जाता है image, ठीक है. So as you can see here, the image is overlapping. One more example is rotating fan and its blades. You see, there are three blades in the fan, but when the fan is rotating at very fast speed, you will see it's like a disc. Okay, all the blades, they are getting, overlapping with each other. So overlapping हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. So you will see a continuous disc rather than three different blades or four different blades. So this is due to the persistence of vision. जो भी हम देखते हैं उसका जो इमेज है ब्रेन पे वो 0.1 सेकेंड तक बना रहता है, ठीक है. अगर उससे कम इंटरवल में हम चीज़ों को देखेंगे तो चीज़ें ओवरलैप हो जाती हैं. तो ये देखो यहाँ पे ओवरलैपिंग हो रही है. Similarly in case of sound, if you hear two sounds less than the interval of 0.1 second, they will overlap and you won't be able to distinguish between the original sound and the reflected sound, means you won't be able to hear the echo. So that's the reason actually, ठीक है. अच्छा, इसका definition क्या है? Check this one. It is difficult to distinguish between both sound as it travels at high speed. These two sounds can be heard distinctly if they reach our ear at an interval of at least 0.1 second. So 0.1 second is the टाइम लिमिट. इसके अंदर अगर दो साउंड्स हमें सुनाई देती है तो हम उनको डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट द व्हाई डिस्टेंस शुड बी बिटवीन 17 to 18 मीटर. चलो देखते हैं ना. स्पीड ऑफ साउंड एट नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर 340 मीटर पर सेकेंड, ठीक है. तो वेलोसिटी का फार्मूला क्या है? डिस्टेंस पर यूनिट टाइम. Now as you can see, the sound will travel twice the distance. Original sound, reflected sound, so 2D. This is the formula for echo. This is the formula we are going to use. So time interval is 0.1 second. Distance we need to calculate. So इसको arrange करेंगे. It will be like, है ना, t को इधर लेके आते हैं, v नीचे चले जाएगा. वेलोसिटी कितना लिया हमने, 340 मीटर पर सेकेंड. टाइम इंटरवल 0.1 सेकेंड डिवाइड बाई 2, इट विल बी 34 डिवाइड बाई 2, दैट विल बी 17 मीटर, इजंट इट. अच्छा, तो अब स्पीड ऑफ साउंड तो टेम्परेचर पे डिपेंड करती है. अगर हमने स्पीड ऑफ साउंड को 350 लिया, सपोज दैट 350 मीटर पर सेकेंड, सो 350 मीटर पर सेकेंड लेते हैं. ये वाला जो टाइम लिमिट है, इट विल नॉट चेंज ना. इन दिस केस दिस बी 35/2 and 17.5 meter. So basically the distance should be between 17 to 18 meter. It depends upon speed of sound as well. So I hope you have understood that the distance between the obstacle and the observers should not be less than 17 meter. It should be greater than 17 meter, and this is the time limit. Okay, the sound should reach our ear after 0.1 second. So these are the two factors for echo to be heard.